Hey guys, this is Tashani Rungta, head of club at We the Programmers and a computer science student from West University Electronic City. So, We the Programmers is a competitive programming club essentially founded to inculcate the coding culture in students as early as the fresher year so that they can gain enough exposure to participate in contests such as the Google Code Jam, ACM ICPC, and so on. The core team of We the Programmers includes me, Toshani Rungta, head of club with my number listed below for any queries, Manzoor Naqvi, who's our mentor and a student from the Department of CSE, PES University Electronic City campus. He has experience in various intercollegiate as well as international coding competitions with vast experience in competitive programming. Kavita Hegde from the Department of Electronics and Communication, PES University ECC, is our event organizer. The previous events that we've conducted in the academic year 2019-20 start off with recruitments in September 2019. Post the recruitments, a programming contest for the new students to familiarize themselves with the process was conducted. During the period of October 2019 to August 2020, we conducted various intra-club events, including competitions, discussions, and training sessions. Um, Discussions generally took place after competitions for students to explore different methods of solving the same question. Training sessions were mainly for amateurs or beginners. In September 2020, we conducted Analyze Me, an intercollegiate programming competition under the umbrella of TechWatts. The events we've planned for this semester start off with the recruitments in January. You can watch out your WhatsApp and Discord servers for link to Google Forms. They'll be released soon. We're planning for intra-club events in Feb, which include competitions, discussions, training, and webinars or seminars depending on the situation. We also plan to have an intercollegiate coding competition during March 2020. We're looking for enthusiastic and dedicated students as competitive programming comes with experience and is not easy for students who give up.
Hi, I'm Kulaji. I'm the co-lead of Pixel, and today I'm here to tell you more about our club. So, Pixel is basically an augmented reality, virtual reality, and game development club. At Pixel, we mainly focus on the vast possibilities in the world of AR VR. We want to show that AR VR is not just this cool and artsy technology, but also one with tremendous amount of real life application. We aim to introduce the student community to this world of AR VR through some interesting hands on sessions, some updates, as well as some competitions. We have done so in the past by teaching a PESU.io course on AR VR. We have conducted a gameathon, which was a webinar followed by a competition on game development. In the future, we have plans on conducting webathons on basics of augmented reality and virtual reality. We also have a webinar followed by a competition on Spark AR coming up in the month of March. Spark AR is basically this application that is mainly used for creating the filters that you might see on Snapchat or on Instagram and so on. For recruitments into the club, we are looking for people who show some commitment and curiosity to learn. We expect you to be enthusiastic about learning from the core team, getting introduced to the world of AR VR, as well as possibly working on some fun projects together. The exposure that we provide is that our core team would be guiding and mentoring you through the vast possibilities in the world of AR VR in game development. For any further questions, you could contact us on our Instagram, which is at the rate pixel_techwords. Hope to see you soon.
My name is George Jefferson. I'm currently in my fourth semester pursuing a BTech focused in computer science engineering. I'm also the present club head of Predictus and ML Club of PESU ACC. Without any further ado, let's get started with the introduction of our club. So again, welcome to Predictus. Starting off, we'll be covering objectives and the main activities of our club. So first up, we have objectives. So our main objective is to get people started with this domain, interested people, especially if you're interested in AI/ML or our main objective or goal is to get you started with this domain, and then go on to do wonders. Our second most, or rather the most important objective is fostering hands-on experience in this domain. The way we get this done is by working on real-world projects after learning a particular concept or a particular theory about ML in ML or anything in AI. So this is our most important objective. Coming to a third objective, we are in a pursuit of forming a like-minded community who not only help in learning to themselves, but also as a community help them grow and go on to do wonders. Coming to our fourth objective is whatever we learned, if we don't apply, there is no use of it. So our main objective or our main goal is any simple concept that we have learned, we are going to try and use it to solve real world problems. So that is where our main role of like-minded community comes to play. Next up, we have activities and events. So activities and events, I'll probably divide this into two subsets. Firstly, being internal activities, that is amongst the members of the club. The first activity is blogging. What do I exactly mean by blogging is when you learn something in this field, for example, be it something called gradient descent. It's one of the concepts in ML. If you learn that, we expect our students to document whatever they learned as a blog, and then push it to a repository. We have a very own GitHub repository wherein we're going to store all these blogs. So the main reason why we ask them to document what they learn is that's the best way to learn something. We as a community believe the best way to learn something is when you document it. The next event is we take up real world projects. Be it we currently take up two kinds of projects. One is short term and long term projects. Short term usually spans about 1 or 2 weeks at most, and the long term goes off for months. So we take a few real world problems and then try solving them using AI and ML. Datathons. This is one of the most interesting activities and events that I would regard it as. We would go out as a team, take part in datathons. Various datathons organized throughout the world virtually, which again increases our knowledge in this domain and then gives an exposure to the outside world and what kind of data is out there rolling. The second subset, I would rather name it as the activities we conduct as a club to the other members, as in to the whole college. So other thing is we have a very own in-house datathon called Tensor. So Predict This in Collab conducts this datathon. Thank you. That's it about this. Hoping to hear from you soon.
Hey guys, I'm Keshav Raju from 6th semester and I'm the head of the Zero Day CyberSec Club under TechWatts. So this club is about cybersecurity where we teach you how to exploit and safeguard your networks, your devices and data from malicious and unauthorized use. So this is done through weekly sessions, and these sessions are split into 3 tracks, that is beginner, intermediate and advanced. Along with these weekly sessions we also have activities. So these activities basically comprise of 1 or 2 challenges created by the core members of the club, and these activities will be placed anywhere between one week or 2 weeks. So these activities help you stay in touch with the field. Along with activities we also have events. So every odd semester there will be a CTF conducted, and all the challenges that are present within the CTF will again be created by the core members of the club. And every even semester there will be a person from the industry who will come and talk about a few topics about the field that will be beneficial to the college students. And in terms of number of hours a student will have to spend for the club every week, that will be anywhere between 2 to 4 hours, including the weekly sessions. And one more thing to add about is the exposure the club provides. So in terms of exposure, we will be teaching you or enlightening you about how hacks are created and deployed, and how to safeguard against these types of attacks. Also, the The club sessions provides a sort of training for certifications and internships related to the field to a certain degree. Finally, coming to how to join the club. So you will be given a Google form. Upon filling, you will be provided with a Discord link. So once inside the Discord server of the club, you will be asked to sign a contract. Once this contract is signed and verified by the core members, you will be allowed to participate in all activities, sessions and events conducted by the club. Thank you for listening.